Welcome to the M-Series commercial round installation video. Before installation, ensure all power to the luminaire is off. For this installation, you will need hole saw, 4 sheet metal screws, screwdriver, measuring tape, conduit fitting, and for DMF products you will need M-Series commercial round housing, M-Series commercial modules, M-Series round trims. For installation in T-bar, use screwdriver or pliers to break off the bottom flange of the bar hanger ends. Note if installing in hat channel, joist or stud, refer to the installation instructions and do not complete this step. Locate fixture position in the ceiling plane. Install bar hanger ends to T-bar using 4 sheet metal screws, not included. Slide the collar along the bar hangers to adjust its horizontal position. Secure the horizontal position by tightening 2 pre-installed bar hanger screws. Before installing the ceiling, apply conduit fitting and route the building's electrical supply wires into the housing through any knockout. Splice the electrical wires to the bare wire leads in the junction box according to local regulations. Mark the center position for the fixture on the specified ceiling material, drywall, millwork, etc. before installation. Cut a 4 1/4, 108 mm opening at the marked position. Loosen the 2 pre-installed wing screws inside the collar. Adjust vertical position of the collar until it is flush with the ceiling, then secure the collar by tightening the wing screws inside. Pass the wiring cup through collar opening. Wiring cup should be visible below the ceiling. The housing is now ready for module installation. The M-Series commercial family has modules in various different heat sink sizes corresponding to their Lumen output and function. Please follow along for specific instructions on each one. For embedded driver, downlight modules, connect the LED module connector to the connector of the wiring cap assembly. Note, do not hang the LED module by the connector. Coil the excess wire into the wiring cap. Snap the wiring cap and the module together, taking care not to pinch the wires. Align trim onto module and turn trim clockwise until secure. Note, trim must be securely attached to the module. Push the module and trim evenly into the collar until the spring clips engage and trim is flush with ceiling. For higher lumen, downlight modules with a detachable driver. Connect the female connector of the driver to the male connector of the wiring cap assembly. Coil the excess wiring into the wiring cap and snap the wiring cap and the driver together, taking care not to pinch the wires. Pass the connected driver up through the collar. Place it onto the metal platform on the side of the housing, securing it with the magnet. Align trim onto module and turn clockwise until secure. Note, trim must be securely attached to the module. Push the module and trim evenly into the collar until the spring clips engage and trim is flush with ceiling. For adjustable modules, all Lumen packages use detachable drivers, but note the driver size will be different based on Lumen output. Connect the female connector of the driver to the male connector of the wiring cap assembly. Coil the excess wire into the wiring cap and snap the wiring cap and the driver together, taking care not to pinch the wires. Pass the connected driver up through the collar. Place it onto the metal platform on the side of the housing, securing it with the magnet. Identify the clip engaging cutouts in the walls of the collar and align with the spring clips on the module. Squeeze the spring clips and push the module into the collar until the spring clips audibly engage with the collar. Note, make sure the module is not tilted while inserting. To rotate the LED module up to 360 degrees, turn until the desired position is achieved. Push the trim into the housing until it is flush with the ceiling. For more information on how to change our optics in the field, please refer to our website for step-by-step instructions. The M-Series is always plug and play. Backed by our in-house engineering, customer support, and DMF's 5-year warranty. M-Series, our most versatile product offering.